Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. Once again, I bring you the Deagostini Collectibles American Cars Collection, and these are cars number 11 through 14. Join me, will you? Welcome back. Here are the 4 cars I received in package number 4 from Deagostini Collections. This is the American Cars Collection 1/43rd Scale Cars Series, and this is car number 11 through 14. Sound of freedom behind me there, the helicopter, if you hear it. But anyway, this is car number 11, the Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 1970, and then the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona, and the Mercury Couger Eliminator 428 CJ 1970 version, and then the AMC Javelin 1972. So, new format here. It's just like I'm doing a live feed with you all. I'm going to try not to cut away too much, just to cut away the stuff you really don't want to see, and we'll get this video done. We'll show you all the cars. So let's look at the magazines here real quick. And the first magazine is the Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454, and like I was saying, this is a very nice magazine. Semi-gloss pages, very well laid out, very easy to read, approximately 14 pages per issue, and they give you basically a history of the car, of course the technical sheet about the car, some nice articles about Route 66, and then what happened during that time frame in our history when these cars came out. So you'll have to get this subscription yourself to read these magazines, but they are a very fast read and won't take long for you to read it. So the next magazine is number 12 here, the Dodge Charger Daytona from 1969, one of my favorite NASCARs of the time. These cars are just fantastic. If you ever see one on the street, you'll know it because of the large wing in the back of the car. The Daytona had that wing, but very nice car here. 1970 Mercury Couger Eliminator, and another fantastic car there, right? Kind of reminds me of lines that the old Mustangs had, but this was the Cougar. But very nice there, and cool to get this one added to the collection. And lastly, the AMC Javelin. So AMCs aren't made anymore, but these Javelins were, everybody wanted one back in the day. So this is the 1970 version. And I remember seeing these on the street. These were very cool. All right, so let me get the first car out, which is the Chevelle. I'll bring that over. So let's get a close-up of the Chevelle here. And I already took it out of its out of their wrappers, just so I can shorten this video some. But if you want to see what the wrappers look like, check out my first 3 videos. I put a link in the description below for the playlist of these videos. But this is very nice here. It shows you how it's protected in the plastic acrylic case. And this car in 1970 sold for $4,470. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's held together by some tape here. So I'll just cut that off. And we'll take the case off. There you go. Very nice. I like the markings on it. The markings on the tires are fantastic there. Definitely looks like a Chevelle, the SS version of the Chevelle. Black interior. Lines are just fantastic there. Of course, dual exhaust in the back. This is a well sought after car for collectors, and it definitely is a muscle car. Very nice there. Alright, I'll bring over the next car. This was car number 11. Here's car number 12, the Dodge Charger Daytona 1969, and it looks fantastic there. I like the Daytona International Speedway behind there. And this car sold for $3,993. Let's take it out of the case here, get a closer look, and love the color on this. It is a metallic blue with white accents in the back for the wing. The wing is fantastic there. Dual exhaust. I love the taillights, how they shine. And black wall tires, of course. Black interior. Very nice. And the front scoop. Retractable headlights up front. Very nice. So let me get the other car out. And here's the next one. This is the Mercury Couger Eliminator 428 CJ from 1970. And I like it because it has the graphics of the Eliminator on the side here. But this is very cool and well protected right now. This car cost $4,240 back in 1970. So I'll go ahead and take this out of its protective case so we can get a closer look at it. And these are just fantastic cars. And there you go. This is in an orange finish with black pinstriping. Of course, it has the intake scoop on top of the hood is black, flat black. Of course, it has the unique Cougar headlights that are covered there. License plate there. Black interior. Has a spoiler in the back. That's very nice there. Dual exhaust. I mean, this is really nice. And like I said, the graphics is really cool there. So that's very nice. So let's look at the last car. This was number 13, by the way. Let's look at the last car in this collection. And this is the AMC Javelin 1972, and I love this because it has almost like a candy red color, but it's not metallic. It's just straight red finish with the gold colored striping on the nose. So let me take these out real quick here. I like these cases, how they do protect them from dust and dirt. And we'll get a closer look here. There you go. It has a black interior and just has the lines of the Javelin. Very unique car in the day. I very rarely see these on the street anymore, but I'm sure there's a few of them out there. But it's very nice. Wow. Very impressive. Okay, so that wraps up these cars. I'll be right back with all four of them. All four of these cars are fantastic, and I love adding them to my collection. Head over to Deagostini Collectibles and subscribe to this collection today. It's fantastic. I put a link and a promo code in the description below. Please click on the link and let Deagostini know that you watched my video, and it helps me out and it helps them out. So with that, if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.